Yeah, we're back in the car and got caught by this long train. And he's taking his sweet time too. Some people turning. I'm not getting ready to turn. I'm just gonna come to light. It's gotta end. If there's a beginning, there's an ending. That's all I can tell you. If there's a beginning, there's an ending. Let me see. Do I see the ending? It's going slow. You don't think I'm not finna turn, make a U-turn. Time you do all that stuff and go around, you might as well wait for the train to get through. Let me see. I'm trying to see how long it is. It ain't going slow as molasses. Well, we stuck here.